Founded 1981 with the acquisition of the Greenbrier Leasing Corporation by CEO Bill Furman and partner Alan James, Greenbrier has grown to become a leading supplier of rail transportation equipment and services, powering the movement of products around the world. Greenbrier's manufacturing footprint extends across North and South America and into Europe, with a workforce over 10,000 strong. Our product portfolio includes over 100 unique railcar designs, covering every major segment of the railcar market, including double-stack intermodal units that move across rail, barge, and highway. Our railcar manufacturing division forms the cornerstone of the Greenbrier integrated business model, allowing us to create customized freight solutions over the entire life of a railcar. And our award-winning virtual sample railcar allows buyers to inspect the quality of a sample railcar from the convenience of a conference room, reducing travel time and cost. Our service division, Greenbrier Rail Services, operates a network of shops across North America that offer skilled repair and refurbishment services. Our parts division produces tank valves, hopper hatches and outlets, boxcar doors and roofs, coupler bodies, yokes, and draft gears. Our leasing division, Greenbrier Leasing, provides creative solutions for shippers and fleet operators, boasting a substantial railcar lease fleet with a broad range of lessees and staggered lease term offerings. And Greenbrier Management Services, our management division, is North America's most comprehensive railcar management solutions provider, offering asset management, regulatory compliance, car hire processing, and fleet logistics. Greenbrier's success begins with our people, the global community of leaders and employees who have made Greenbrier what we are today. We believe in supporting this workforce through our unwavering attention on safety, respect, and equity throughout all of our operations. These values are rooted in our ideal commitment, an effort to create awareness and education that promotes inclusion, diversity, equity, access, and leadership throughout the organization. For 4 decades, Greenbrier has been a leader in global transportation. By maintaining our commitment to quality and innovation, we will continue to keep the world moving. Greenbrier, moving what matters.